This is LG Soundbar US60TR 5.1 channel Bluetooth soundbar with wireless subwoofer and 2 rear speakers, 440 watts audio power. This is ideal sound companion for LG TV. Connectivity, HDMI out, 1 USB, Bluetooth and optical. We're going to check this stuff out and see what is inside. This is the subwoofer. This is the soundbar here. The power cable. 2 rear speakers. See what it looks like. This is huge. The rear speakers. See what it looks like. Here, see what it looks like. The ports are HDMI, TVI, USB and optical, and the power cable goes in here. From the top, this is the on button. This button is input, and this button is for you to decrease the volume, plus is for you to increase the volume, and Bluetooth button.